I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. I'm back today to show you what I'm up to next. I'm going to do etching on glass with our transfers. I've done this a while back, but I thought it'd be fun to do it for Valentine's Day. And I'm just going to take one of these jars and I'm going to put our transfers on there and etch it with the etching cream. So let's get to work. So I'm going to take a brush and apply the etching cream over our transfers on this glass jar. And I'm going to apply it in one direction. Then I'm going to put a 3-minute timer on it and then come back and do it in another direction. I did this 3 times. So I made sure that it was a nice smooth imprint. And here I'm going over on a second time. I'm kind of overlapping the hearts. It's just the look I wanted to try and do. And it's just the same process again to get the etching in there. It's really easy. It's just the waiting time in between. And when I get done with all of that, then I'm just going to wash them. Wash the transfers like normal with water, and you can use the board eraser and get it good and clean, let it dry, sticky side up. All right, now I'm adding on the tags, Happy Valentine's Day, and I'm doing this in bright white. And again, just put the paste on, take off the excess, put it back in the jar for another project. And when that's all done, then I'm just going to take it and tie it with ribbon onto the jars. Then all that's left to do is add your favorite candy. What a cute Valentine's gift. And you could put that in the dishwasher. You don't have to heat set it. It's just done. Etch and done. Gotta love that one. And there we go, all done. And I'll give you a close-up. Over to the left, we have Love Me and Kiss Me. And then I'm showing you a picture of the tag in Happy Valentine's Day, which is on both of these. And on this one, XOXO and Be Mine. I think it's awesome. I'm gonna etch some more.